called everyone out at the family therapy. Mom died when I was 5. She went out with friends and drank too much, which ended up killing her. In a messed up way. I think my dad has always resented her for it. I just miss her and wish I'd known her for longer. Dad remarried to my stepmother Eve when I was 8. I was adamant from the start that I didn't want a second mother. Well, Eve and my dad never accepted that. They thought I was just being a dumb kid, or that it was some sort of phase. I'm 17 now and my mind hasn't changed. So Dad recently enrolled us in family therapy. We had our second session last week where the therapist asked why we thought we were in therapy. Dad said it was because I was too stubborn to accept Eve, and Eve said pretty much the same thing. They both said that Eve being in my life this long meant I had to consider her my mom. They implied that something was wrong with me for not agreeing. Now that I was older, they hoped they'd be able to fix it. When it was my turn, I just told the truth. I had a mom and didn't need Eve to be one. I'd been telling them this for 10 years, but they never cared to listen. They never respected me or cared about what I wanted. They had their little vision of a perfect family and were still too stupid or uncaring to realize I didn't want to be part of it. The two of them went wide-eyed and started arguing back. We had to end the therapy session early because of how pissed they were. They said I was using it to insult them and made them look bad in front of the therapist. If the truth makes them look bad, then that's their fault, not mine.